Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can solve the issue when your JBL Tune 510BT are not pairing. So there are multiple things that you can do. So the first thing that you can try to do is that when you are going to be on your phone, go to settings, then go to Bluetooth, and I will just zoom it for you so you can see here. Okay, and now when you're gonna have, for example, in the settings, you want to unpair it right here. So this is on the bottom, you're going to find like unpair, and that's something that you want to press right here on the bottom. So when you're going to press unpair, then you're going to unpair the headphones and maybe it's going to work. Now the second thing that you can try to do is you can reset the software. So have the JBL turned on, and when you're going to have it turned on, what you want to do is to hold the minus and plus button at the same time for about 5 to 10 seconds. So hold it together and you will see that this will power off. See? So this is something that you can try to do and maybe it's going to work out for you. So these are the two things that you can try. So thank you very much and I hope it's going to help you. Have a great day and goodbye.